Blending stumps. What are they and how do we use them? Blending stumps are must-haves for artists using pencils, charcoal or pastels. Made from tightly rolled paper, they're perfect for smoothing, shading and creating soft gradients. Now that we know a little more about blending stumps, let's get started. Create your layers using small swirl-like strokes in a circular fashion, building heavier layers where needed. Then, use your blending stump with the same motion to blend the pigment deeper into the paper. Such an easy process with amazing results. Blending stumps can be used with a wide range of mediums, including graphite, pastel, charcoal, and coloured pencils.